In order to create the dog pattern that came along with your kit, you're going to need the cream colored yarn and your 4mm crochet hook. So we're going to start by creating a slip knot. Insert your hook. We're going to create a magic ring. Now that we've done that, for row 1, we are going to place 8 single crochets into our magic ring. Alright, so now we're going to place a stitch marker in that final stitch of row 1. Then we'll move on to row 2, where we're going to be increasing in every stitch for a total of 16 stitches. Now for row 3, we are going to be alternating between 1 single crochet and an increase all the way around for a total of 24 stitches. And now in row 4, we are going to be alternating between 2 single crochets and an increase all the way around for a total of 32 stitches. Alright, now for rows 5 through 12, we're going to single crochet around in every row, so that's for a total of 8 rows. Alright, so now that we've finished row 12, I'm going to turn my work inside out, which is optional. But then you are just going to place your safety eyes between rows 8 and 9, about 4 stitches apart. Alright, now that we've placed our safety eyes, we are going to begin decreasing. So for row 13, you are going to alternate between 2 single crochets and a decrease all the way around for a total of 24 stitches. Now for row 14, we are going to alternate between 1 single crochet and a decrease all the way around for a total of 16 stitches. Alright, now we're going to partly stuff the dog, and then we will continue to row 15. Now that we've partially stuffed the dog's head, just pop the stitch marker back in, and we are going to decrease all the way around, so you'll have 8 stitches in this row. I've removed my stitch marker for the final time, and now we are going to stuff the dog's head until it's firm. So now that we've stuffed the head, we are going to decrease all the way around until you can't really maneuver your hook anymore, and then we are going to close with an embroidery needle. Now we're just going to take our needle and thread it through those exterior facing stitches. Then once you feel like it's nice and secure, you're just going to take your needle and pop it through the opposite side, pull the yarn tight, and then just snip off the excess.